A for କ'ଣ?
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
ଆଉ G for
dog,
H for
hen,
I for
ice cream,
J for
don,
J for ପାଣି ରଖା ହୁଏ ଯେ କ'ଣ? J for ପାଣି ପିଆ ହୁଏ କ'ଣ? J for
judge,
ହଁ K for
tornado,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
ଆଉ N for
nest,
O for ଜୋରେ କୁହ
orange,
B for
peanut,
ଆଉ Q for ରାଣୀକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ?
darling,
କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ?
Queen.
ହଁ Q for ପରେ R for
alpha, musha,
ମୂଷାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ?
cat,
ହଁ S for
sun,
ତାପରେ T for
timare dasha,
ଆଉ U for
antenna,
ତାପରେ V for
utemuna,
V for
Vijaya,
ନା
Mylan,
ହଁ V for W for
Utamiran,
X for
Jayapan,
Y for
Jet,
Z for
Yet,
Z for
Jira,
বা Z for କ'ଣ?
Jira,